Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up membership sites with MemberPress, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type MemberPress. Locate the MemberPress plugin in the search results. Click the Install Now button next to MemberPress. Once installed, click on the Activate button. After activation, you will see a new MemberPress menu item on the left sidebar. Click on MemberPress and select Options. Here, you can configure the general settings for your membership site. Set your payment methods under the Payments tab. Choose your preferred payment processor, such as PayPal or Stripe. Input your API keys or account information as required. Next, configure the email settings under the Emails tab. Customize the email notifications that will be sent to members. Now, move to the Pages tab to set up your membership pages. You can also edit these pages later as needed. Once your options are set, click on the Save Options button. Next, go to the Memberships section in the MemberPress menu. Click on Add New to create your first membership level. Enter a title for your membership, such as Basic Membership or Premium Membership. In the Membership Terms section, set the price and billing type. You can choose between a one-time fee or recurring payments. Add a description for your membership to inform potential members. Customize the access conditions tailored to your members' needs. Next, go to the Auth tab to configure access rules for your content. Set up rules based on your membership levels to protect specific pages or posts. After establishing your rules, click on Publish to save your membership. Now, let's create a new post or page to add content that members will access. Navigate to the Posts or Pages section from the dashboard. Click on Add New. Enter the title and content for your post or page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.